Looking for the best immersion blender to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. All-Clad Immersion Blender. The All-Clad Immersion Blender offers robust power with its 600-watt motor and versatile turbo function, making it an excellent choice for blending through even the thickest ingredients. This immersion blender is thoughtfully designed with a detachable shaft, allowing for easy cleaning and quick storage. The variable speed control lets you adjust blending intensity with precision, so you can switch from gentle purees to vigorous blends seamlessly. This blender is not only powerful but also user-friendly, with a sleek stainless steel construction that fits comfortably in the hand for optimal control during use. This all-clad blender is perfect for anyone seeking high performance in their kitchen without sacrificing convenience. Its 9.25-inch shaft reaches into deep bowls or pots, making it ideal for preparing soups, sauces, or smoothies. The sturdy, stainless steel build enhances durability, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfort throughout prolonged blending tasks. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or a busy home chef, the All-Clad Immersion Blender is designed to simplify your kitchen prep work, providing consistent, quality results every time. And there you have it, the top 5 best immersion blenders that bring convenience, power, and precision right to your fingertips. Number 2. Vitamix Immersion Blender. The Vitamix Immersion Blender brings you the trusted Vitamix quality in a compact, handheld form. With an impressive 18-inch reach and powerful stainless steel design, this immersion blender is made to tackle tasks in large or deep containers effortlessly. Its high-performance motor is powerful and quiet, making it easy to blend through dense ingredients without disturbing the household. The blending wand has a 4-pronged blade that delivers even, smooth results in seconds, ideal for soups, sauces, or even tougher jobs like crushing ice and frozen fruits. Designed for versatility and comfort, the Vitamix Immersion Blender offers a no-splash blending experience thanks to its thoughtfully crafted head design, which minimizes splattering while still blending efficiently. This immersion blender is compatible with most mixing containers, so you can use it directly in pots or pitchers, eliminating extra cleanup. Number 3. Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender. The Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender combines power and control, making it an essential tool for any kitchen. Featuring a 280-watt motor, this immersion blender is designed with an ergonomic grip and an innovative bell-shaped base that reduces suction for more efficient blending. The unique shape of the blending head prevents splattering, allowing you to blend sauces or soups directly in the pot without creating a mess. Its 8-inch immersion depth makes it suitable for deeper containers, so you can blend larger batches easily. Equipped with a range of speed settings, the Breville BSB 510XL offers flexibility in blending tasks, from whipping up fluffy smoothies to pureeing tough ingredients. This model comes with additional attachments, like a chopping bowl and a whisk, making it more versatile for various kitchen prep tasks. Number 4. Cuisinart Smart Stick Hand Blender. The Cuisinart Smart Stick Hand Blender is all about versatility and convenience, with variable speed control that lets you blend, mix, and whisk with precision. Its powerful motor is capable of tackling both light and heavy ingredients, from smooth soups to thicker sauces and purees. This model includes a multi-purpose blade guard to prevent splatter, making it a mess-free solution for everyday cooking tasks. The sleek, stainless steel body feels solid and comfortable in hand, giving you control over each blending task for consistent results. With included attachments such as a whisk and beaker, the Cuisinart Smart Stick can handle a range of tasks beyond traditional blending, like whipping cream or preparing single-serving smoothies. The variable speed dial is conveniently positioned for easy adjustments, letting you transition between different textures in seconds. Number 5. Braun MultiQuick 5 Immersion Hand Blender. The Braun MQ505 Immersion Blender is designed for ease of use and reliable performance. It features a 350-watt motor that provides ample power for everyday blending tasks. This model has a unique dual-speed setting that offers versatility for different recipes, from whisking eggs to blending smoothies or pureeing soups. It also includes a sturdy whisk attachment and a beaker, giving you more options to explore in the kitchen. The MQ505 is particularly useful for those who want simplicity and effectiveness in a compact blender that doesn't compromise on results. One of the standout features of the Braun MQ505 is its ergonomic, slit-proof grip, which makes it comfortable to handle, even during extended use. The easy click buttons allow you to quickly swap out attachments, simplifying the transition from blending to whisking. Its stainless steel blending shaft is highly durable and easy to clean, while the compact size ensures it's easy to store.